So, welcome back guys, and here we are at the ATIV, Vios ATIV. Yan ang Vios ATIV. So guys, we're going to enter the ATIV E variant. So, I usually start here at the side mirror. So, ang side mirror nitong ATIV E is meron ka ng integrated signal light. Right? Nice. Ang ganda. Usually, ang integrated signal lights, usually pang top of the line yan. So, the door handle is the body color. Nice. And let's check the door panel. So, ang design nito is yan. Meron tayong cursor pang-adjust ng side mirror. Then, central lock ng doors. 4 na window, central lock ng window. Right? The ATIV. And under is cup holder. Extended, of course. Yan. So, of course, being the E variant, fabric seats siya. Yan ang design ng seats. Okay. Manual adjust. Then, so may control lever dito para sa trunk and gas lever. And ito yung pang-open ng hood. Right? Traction. So ito, if you're wondering about this, madalas ko itong dinidiscuss sa vlog. Abang itong mga to, just in case gusto mo mag-upgrade in the future. Isang example ko lagi, in case gusto mo mag-add ng LED bar sa roof ng unit mo, pwede mo ilagay dito yung button in the future. Alright? So, ang ganda, merong brown accent for the ATIV E. Then, push and para sa cup holder. Then, let's go inside. Pakita ko yung steering wheel. Right? So, ito is the cursor. Of course, usually ito, pang navigate dun sa multi-information display. By the way, yan hindi siya analog guys LED. LED yung, and then nandito yung trip button niya, shortcut, then back button, voice command, volume control. Nice. So, round shape, silver accent. Right? So, itong mode, like I discussed, itong mode na to is the shortcut, usually, para dito sa infotainment. Alright? So, yan. Shortcut yan. You can cycle between AM, FM, Bluetooth, Android connectivity. Then, skip. So, skip mo yung radio station or the music, yung kanta, yung track. Then, answer call. Right? Nice. So, moving on. Okay. Ayan yung design ng aircon vent niya. Okay. Push start. Nice. So, rotary design ang ating aircon adjustment. Temperature, off, auto, rear defogger, air circulation, thermostat, and meron dalawang USB port dito under. Napakita ko lang, baka hindi na nakikita. So, yan. Dalawang USB port. Nice. And ang shift knob niya is this. Park, reverse, neutral. Then meron tayong sequential plus minus. Tiptronic. And ang design ng shift knob is merong button dito under Yan. So you have to push it to change the drive. Then classic handbrake and center pocket. Yan. Ganda, ganda. Alright. So ang ganda pa rin talaga nitong classic handbrake na to. Walang pag-aanlinlangan habang naka-focus yung eyes mo sa road. Just grab this, 'di ba? So, ang ating glove compartment. Yan. Classic. Nice. So, same design sa driver's side yan Okay, may window control there, of course. Check na natin kung may cup holder dito. Ayun. Right? Kita nyo guys, that's a cup holder. So, Yan, check naman natin yung headliner kung ano meron. Okay, meron tayong salamin. Nice. Lagayan ng salamin. Alright. So, sorry lang sa framing ko Dalawang camera yung active right now. Yan. So, wala tayong mirror para sa passenger. And, light function is, yan. Yun. Okay. Nice. So, push siya. Then, meron siyang door function and off. Yun na, ulitin ko lang. Para dito sa door function, usually yan, iilaw yan kapag may naka-open door pala. Just to remind you na meron pala naka-open na door. Right? So, moving on na tayo sa second row. And by the way, ang price nitong Ative, Vios Ative natin is 995 para sa white pearl. Guys, I apologize to those na viewers natin nagsasabing walang price. I usually don't post the price kasi nga anytime pwedeng magkaroon ng price increase. So, moving on. Let's go to the second row. Yeah. The Ative second row. So, nandito yung cup holder niya. Very accessible. Of course, door, window adjustment, handle. Meron tayong, of course, nandito na nga pala yung cup holder. Then, ito, lagayan ng kung ano-ano. So, fabric design for the seats. Yan. Meron tayong tatlong headrest. Yan. And, wow, what a surprise. Meron tayong second aircon vent. Yan, meron siyang off-on. Then, dalawang USB port for charging. Yan kita nyo. Yan. So, yan guys. Hindi ko lang mailapit yung camera. So, dalawa yung charging port natin. And, meron pa rin tong lagayan. Of course, sa second row. So, nag-accept na kami ng reservation for this. Very ideal. Mag-reserve na tayo, guys. So, yeah. Kita ko dito mas malakas yung ilaw dito. And the size of the mugs is... This is the design of the mugs. Two-tone, sporty look. 16... sorry. Ito. Or 16. Correct. 16 inches. Yeah, nice. Like I mentioned, integrated signal lights. Pakita ko lang yung buong likod niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung design ng taillight niya. Ganda. Ayan. So, dito meron siyang parang body kits na to Parang body kit na yan yung under. Ganda. Nakakadagdag sa pagka-sporty niya. And reflector under. Nice. So actually ito, just my own opinion, mukha siyang baby Camry. Right? Kita nyo? Dilim lang Of course, shark fin ang antena natin. Yan. Yan. This one guys. The shark fin. And I think that's just about it. Ative E variant. So guys, before I forget, meron kaming trade-in dito. So most of the brands sinatanggap namin for trade-in. And unfortunately, we cannot give you a quick estimate. We highly suggest bring your unit here in our showroom. So at least in that way, is final appraisal ang ibibigay namin sa inyo. So 30 days ang validity ng offer namin. So yeah, that's it. Ang ganda. pwede nyo gamitin yung old model nyo as down payment. Yan, or para makaless dun sa bagong unit. And that's the ATIV E, guys. Bye. Thank you.